Alright, we're going to be removing the tray 1 paper clutch on, this is a T632. T640s will be similar. Now first of course you want to make sure you got your machine turned off and unplugged. Next, to get at it we need to remove the paper tray. Alright, now to remove these paper pickup wheels, each one has a little tab right here. And well, this camera angle you can't really see it, but I'm going to be using on this side. Push it down on a little bit and pull it off. Okay. Now, the secret to getting these things out easily is tongue and groove pliers. And here we've got, what, 6-inch set. Open it up all the way. And when we do this, you're going to want to make certain that the top, which will stay flattest, will go on the end of the shaft. Alright. And the other end is going to line up here onto the center of the drive assembly, and with light pressure is all it'll take with this. Push it through as far as you can get it. Okay, now we're going to need to collapse the pliers a little bit more and do it again to get it the rest of the way through. Oh, sorry, I had it up too high. And it'll stick a little here on the end, and there it is, all the way to the end. Now you can even do this one-handed in most cases, just with the pinky holding against the wheel and your thumb against the center. Okay, now to install the new one, what you would simply do is you pull this assembly down, the drive assembly. You'll notice a hole in the end there, and simply slide the shaft through. Now it'll stick at multiple stages, and you can just squeeze it in. Doesn't usually take a lot of force. Now, if you come over, we come over here, you will see that the white piece here on the left is somewhat square, and there's a rather square hole here. You need to line those up so it snaps all the way in. Now you'll need to check to see if it spins freely in one direction and not in the other. Now this is still a little bit stiff, so we can, whoop, did not mean to remove that. Once again, fat tabs to the middle. Slide it on, and there it is. It spins very easily now. Just sometimes they'll be a little bit stubborn, work them back and forth, left and right, and they'll usually clear that up. Now to put the last wheel back on, line up the little locking tab with the slot at the top here, and with the arrows you see you want to keep your fat tabs to the left so it picks up correctly. So line it up. And there, slide it on. It'll never take much force if you do it right, and we are done. Now when these are properly installed, they'll rotate freely in one direction and not the other. Alright, first of all here, I can get the whole drive to turn. You can feel the resistance, but it will spin this freely in the one direction when it's installed correctly.